In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to make a flipbook in Canva, perfect for beginners who want to create something fun, interactive, and visually engaging. Whether you're planning a digital presentation, a creative portfolio, a storybook, or even a personalized gift, designing a flipbook in Canva is simple and enjoyable. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. Start by opening your internet browser and heading over to Canva's website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top of the screen and locate the search bar. Click on it and type the word Flipbook. After a moment, you'll see a range of template options appear. Canva provides a large collection of beautifully designed layouts, so take a moment to scroll through them and choose one that matches the look and mood you want for your project. When you find a template that stands out, click it to open the preview, then select the button labeled Customize this template. This will take you directly into the Canva editor where you can begin tailoring the design to your liking. Inside the editor, you'll have complete creative freedom. Start by changing the text to whatever suits the purpose of your flipbook. You can adjust the font style, size, and alignment to match your preferred aesthetic. You can also replace any images by uploading your own photos or choosing from Canva's massive library of illustrations, graphics, and stock images. One of the most helpful areas is the panel on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find tools for adding shapes, icons, illustrations, backgrounds, textures, and so much more. Canva's drag and drop editor allows you to simply click and move elements around the page, making it extremely beginner friendly. Experiment with different layouts, colors, and design ideas until each page tells the story you want to communicate. A great tip for beginners is to keep your flipbook consistent from page to page. Choose a color theme, font family, and overall style that flows smoothly throughout the entire project. This ensures your flipbook feels cohesive and polished. Once you've personalized several pages, take some time to review your work. You can use the preview option to flip through your design just like your audience will. This helps you catch details like uneven spacing, unclear text, or any visual elements that need improvement. If something looks off, simply go back into the editor and make the necessary adjustments. When you're completely satisfied with your flipbook, you're ready to save and share it. Canva allows you to download your final project in multiple formats, or you can share it directly online. Digital flipbooks are great for presentations, social media, online portfolios, and creative storytelling. And that's it. Your flipbook is officially complete. With Canva's flexible tools and user-friendly interface, even beginners can create a stunning, professional-looking final product. Whether you're a student, designer, educator, or someone who loves exploring creative ideas, this is a fantastic way to bring your concepts to life. Enjoy designing and have fun showing off your new flipbook to your audience.